Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to walk on a runway. This will be an easy modeling tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off with the steps for what you should be doing with your face and your neck, so the upper part of your body. Then I'm going to work on your middle part of your body, and then I'm going to tell you your lower part of your body. So let's start off with the neck up, okay? So this, I'm going to move back here so you can see me standing up straight, okay? Now, you want to start off by sort of elongating your neck. So this is my neck regularly. When I elongate my neck, it looks like that, okay? It gives me a taller appearance, and it just makes me look more vertically dominating, okay? Once your neck is nice and elongated, which is also gonna correct your posture, you're gonna take your chin, point it down like a half an inch from where it was before, okay? Then you're gonna take your eyebrows and just have just a slightly angered look, and then you wanna sort of smirk with your mouth like this. Just like that. So your face, just to clarify, your neck elongates, your chin slightly down, eyebrows slightly angry, and a little smirk. Just like that, okay? That's gonna be your neck up, okay? Now, this part of your body, the center part, straight posture like this, okay? Arms by your side, hands relaxed, no fists, nothing like that. Hands relaxed just like that. You just want to make sure your posture is nice and vertically dominating. That's what you want it to look like, okay? Now, with your legs and your feet, when you walk, hopefully you can see this on camera. I'm going to bring the camera maybe slightly down, okay? When you walk, you want to essentially be walking with your feet stepping in front of the other. So when I walk regularly, I walk like this. But that's not how you walk on a runway, okay? That's not how you model walk, okay? So you want to make sure your feet are in front of the other, like that. Okay? And it looks weird now at a slow pace, but when you speed it up, okay, your feet are going to look like this. In front of the other, just like that. And you want to make sure your hands are relaxed, just like this. So look at my lower two-thirds of my body, just like that. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do, bring the camera up, I'm going to combine it with what I showed you on my face, okay? Take the glasses, let's go baby, time to model, okay? Elongated neck, chin slightly down, eyebrows ever so slightly angered, little smirk, and then we're going to keep our posture nice and straight, one foot in front of the other, hands by the side, arms by the side, hands relaxed. This is what it's going to look like. Just like that. That's it. That's how to walk on a runway. Believe it or not, it's actually easier than you think. I just did it. If I can do it, then you can too. Whether you want to go big and be a big-time model for the big agencies, or you just want to learn how to do this for fun, like I did, that's up to you. Full disclosure, I'm not a model, but I did learn how to model walk on the runway, and that's what I wanted to show you how to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.